How to create a business account on LinkedIn. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a business account on LinkedIn, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about why you should be using LinkedIn. So first of all, if you haven't created an account, it's free. All you need is an email address and you will get to your homepage. This is what my homepage looks like. Right here at the top, you will have your home button. This is where you can start networking, communicating, and connecting to different people, different entities, different businesses. Here under the jobs tab, you can actually look for jobs if you are looking for a job. And then you have your messaging tab, your notifications, and then right over here, your account details, which you can go in and you can change all of those details. So right on the top of the page on the right hand side, you will have the For Business tab, and you've got to open that up. And once you do, you're going to travel down, and there's a bunch of things here, so you can have a look at their talent insights. You can also post a job, you can advertise, find leads, you can interact with groups, and then there are services, marketplace, and that is all accessible right over there. If you go right down, there are LinkedIn business services that they offer as well. So there's all of these subheadings that you can have a look at, and you can just see what you can actually use there. So if you need help with anything, you can jump straight in here and it'll help you along your way. Right at the bottom of this menu, you can see this entire menu. Right at the bottom, there is a create a company page, and once you tap on that, you will get into this page. Now this page basically offers you the opportunity to create a LinkedIn page. In here you can connect with employees, your clients, your potential clients, and the rest of the LinkedIn community. So on the right hand side, you will see that there is an educational institution, and that's for schools and universities. So if you represent a school or a university, that is actually where you're going to tap into. And then there's a showcase page, and this is a sub page that is associated with an existing page. But for now, on the extreme left, you're going to see a company, and that is a small, medium, and a large business, and that is the page that we're going to create. And you just tap on that and you'll get straight into this page. Now right over here it says let's get started with a few details about your company. So as you can see, as you're traveling down here, you can see that you need a bit of information in here. So let us start with this information. So firstly, right at the top, you need a business name, and I've chosen Bob's Doorknobs, and immediately you get a link, a URL, and it is then going to be linkedin.com/Bob's Doorknobs and / and that is actually your URL. And thereafter, you have a website, and this, if you do have a website, you will enter it in right over here. However, if you do not have a website, it is no biggie because it is not a required field. As you can see, next to some of the headings, there are small asterisks or stars, and that indicates that is a required field. So here we are going to enter our industry, and I'm going to put in the commercial and service industry, machinery manufacturing, and then we can move on to the organization size. Now basically this is however many people are working within your company. If you have 11 to 50 people in this company, then that's the one you choose. However, it is all pertaining to your specific business. As we're going down here, now you can see that you need to enter an organization type. Now, depending on what your organization or your business falls into, you can either be a public company, self-employed, you can also be a government agency, a non-profit, and so on. The list goes. So I'm going to just select public company, and then this is the point where you actually get to upload your logo. Now you may already have a logo, and if you do, you can upload it straight to here. Now there are some recommendations in terms of the size. If you can see right at the bottom of this block, it says 300 by 300 pixels. And then also you can upload it in JPEG or PNG format. So if you don't already have a company logo, for me, Canva is always a go-to. All you need to do on their homepage is tap in what it is that you need. So right over here on the search bar, you can type in their LinkedIn, and what they basically do is they give you some options. So as you can see here, not the search options, the one with the magnifying glass next to it. We're looking at the actual icon. So it says LinkedIn article cover image, background photo, or you can just say profile picture, and it'll give you the size for the profile picture. So what I've done is I've already created one. Basically, they'll give you the option to choose from a bunch of templates, and then you can basically go in and you can customize it. So I have created this logo for the purpose of this video, and I have in fact downloaded it onto my device, and I'm going to upload it now. And there you go, it is right over there. And now you can move on to your tagline. Now your tagline basically will be your company tagline. So make sure that you are making this profile according to all of your company's information and all of your company's logos, taglines, and so forth. So right over here, I'm just going to put in we fit all types of doorknobs, and that is going to be my tagline for my company. And thereafter, once you've done that, on the right hand side you can see that this is now a preview of what your business page will look like. So you can see your profile picture, the name of your company, and then your tagline, and also what industry it's in. And then when you're done, you can just verify that you're authorized to use all of that information. And right at the bottom, they have a create page button, and we can just tap that. And now this is the page that you will get to. And as you can see here, you are 3 steps in, and there are a bunch more steps. So first of all, you can add your website URL. However, if you don't have one, you can just tap on don't have, and it will remove that. And now you will have to add in a description about your business. So right over here, you want to put in whatever it is that your business does, and make sure that it is as detailed as possible. You have 2,000 characters to use, so you can really go to town and make something worthy over here. Once you're done with that, you can move down. This basically is the space where you can review all of your existing information. You can also now enter a phone number and the year that your business was founded. And then you will have the opportunity to add a location. Now, if you are a company that doesn't have a physical location, you don't have to add this in. However, you can at least add a country in there. But if you don't have a physical address that your company is actually operating from, then you shouldn't enter this in. Now you can start growing your followers, and it says invite relevant connections to follow your page. Their interactions help you reach more audiences. So right over here, you can tap on the invite connections. So all you have to do is select the connections that you want to invite, and right at the bottom you can see here how many people are invited, and then you can just tap on invite, and now it will give you the option to post this. We don't want to post it now, and now you can start following other connections. So it says follow relevant pages, and this will also help your content on your feed be relevant to you. So we can follow whoever that it is we need to follow. You can either go up to the search bar over here, and you can search as to who you want to look for, and then you can just type it in there and it'll come up. You can tap on whoever you want to follow, and when you're done, you can just tap on done, and it'll bring you to this new page. And now we can start having a look at the commitments, and it says showcase your organization and what you care about. Top talent are looking for employers who share their values. So if we don't want to do that, we can just tap on the don't have. However, if we do, you can just add commitment, and right over here you can see that it offers you some recommendations as to what to include and what not to include. And then once you're done, you can tap on continue at the bottom of this page. And once you are complete with that page, you can then move on to making your first post. So it says double page engagement by posting content weekly. So we can just tap on post over there, and right over here now you can actually make a post. So right at the top you can see it says Bob's Doorknobs, and it says post to anyone. You can actually change that, so you can see here it's to anyone, or you can create a target audience and target just specifically them. And now you can post whatever it is that you need to post. And let us just say this is my first post, and then we can just go to the bottom right hand side and tap on post. Now you can add a bunch of things here. So you can add photographs, you can add videos, you can create an event, and there are a bunch of other things. You can share that you're hiring, you can create a poll or a document. So you can really get creative here and really engage with the people or the audience that you want to engage with. And all we do is tap on post, and now our post is posted. So we do not want to share this on our profile. You can if you would like to. And then the automatically shared open role. So it says start new conversations by automatically posting company jobs to the feed. So immediately when a company job comes available, you can actually just set up that it goes immediately straight to your page. So it says here Bob's Doorknobs now has access to the jobs page. So as you can see here, you can see and review all of your job settings. So it'll be we're hiring a new, and then whatever your job title is, and then whatever the location is, and it also says apply today to share this post with your network. And this is what it looks like, and there's the little view job tab and so forth. So if we want to do this automatically, we can just change that to on. If we don't, we can just leave it exactly the way it is, and then we can go back to our home page. And the last two things that you can do here is adding custom buttons to your page, and you can just tap on the add over there, and as you can see here, you can add custom buttons. So it says add a custom button to drive business actions through your LinkedIn page. So you can have a contact us button, learn more, register, sign up, visit website. So these buttons can be placed onto your page, and you can see right over here, this is a preview. Right over there, the follow, and you can just add in, and then the URL or wherever it is that it takes you, where that button takes you, you can just enter in just over here. And once you're done with that, you can tap on save, and it will save that. Then the last thing that you want to do is participate in topics that matter to your page by adding hashtags. Now right over here, if you go in, you can tap on add a hashtag, and it'll allow you to add a new tag. So you can tag whatever it is, you can type in whatever it is that you want. So photography now is added, and you can just tap on save, and that will now be saved. Once you're done, you can just hit the X, and we're not going to post that. And once you're done with all of these, you are now basically ready to manage your page properly, and now you can start interacting with potential clients. You can start networking, communicating with people. If you need to find people to fill a position, you can start posting jobs, and you can actually get out there and start connecting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like, and if you enjoy the content that we put out, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.